Alright, so working on the roof again. What I'm going to start doing is using these nail plates to join these two long pieces, well, short pieces, to make a long side for the top of the forge area. I think I'll try and replace that today before the rain comes. Then I've got another set of nail plates for this bottom end, and then I'll replace that later. Then after that, I'm gonna throw on the brackets and cut these long stringers down. So not sure how far I'll get today, but I'm just gonna start off with doing this. Not exactly sure what I'm doing, but I guess I'll just I figure these line up with the center joint, and then you just hammer them in. So I'm gonna kind of put my weight on it, get it started, get that lined up right. Come on. There you go. Oop. Just kind of push it in to get started. Then, well, that didn't work. I'm going to put the phone down and try doing that with another hand supporting it. Well, lighter, faster hammer worked, except I kind of got it crooked. Should be good enough, though. Like I said, I smush metal. I don't deal with dead tree carcasses. Alright, so I've got the new upper piece, not sure what to call it. Again, not a carpenter. Basically, I just dismounted the old piece. I threw this one up over it. I'm going to go ahead and screw it in place because this one's free to move, but it's still holding the tarp. So if I need to move, if I want to take the tarp down, I'll just pull it back, undo the screws that are holding the tarp on, and pull it all off that way. But for now, I'm just putting this new piece in above it. I've got it centered, and I'm liking where that centerpiece, where those nail plates are lining up, right next to where the chimney's going to go. I'm going to put the chimney in the same spot as previously. So right next to that, I might install another upright to help support that joint there. Beyond that, not really sure what I'm going to do. Oh, I centered it by basically measuring off the outside of this to the end of the board, and then going down there, doing the same thing, and then splitting the difference. And it's both about 18 inches of hangout, plus or minus like parts of it, some change of an inch. This one beam did fall down, and that's why I tied all that bottom piece to those snow stakes. So I'm just going to go down. I've got 3 screws, put one in each one to hang it up about where I want to see it hanging. If it needs adjusted, it's easily adjusted. Then drive her home with a whole pile of screws. Okay, I've got this top beam installed, and it's nice and solid. So, seeing as my phone's about to die, I'm going to do this work off camera and just tell you how it goes, and then come back after it's done. This one rafter kind of fell off, so I'm probably just going to replace it with the new one. I'm going to put the new one on the same way this one was, into the end grain of that. Not very strong, but it'll work. It'll hold. And then, but I'll put the hanger in up here proper-wise, the way that I want to do that. I'm going to put the hangers on all the way down. I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in the middle pieces yet or not, seeing as I've still got the tarp on that lower piece there. But I'm going to put the other end one on with the hanger as well. Gonna do that, and then I guess I'll update you after the phone's charged a bit and the work's done.